Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to this amazing company. I'm not 100% sure how I would pronounce this, but they are absolutely amazing. They literally use amazing clean products. They are not toxic at all, and I have worked with this company in the past. I have reviewed their products on my channel and I absolutely love them. They're very highly pigmented, amazing quality. Definitely always really loved and appreciated their products. And here I'm just briefly showing you all the colors that they sent over. So this one is a 21 colors gel nail polish kit, and I don't really know how to I don't know how to say the name. I don't know if it's like Pewete. I don't, you know what, let me not even try it because I am not 100% sure, but I really like them because they have a pine scent, which is really nice. They use natural resin. It strengthens your nail because of the type of ingredients that they use in their polishes, and they're also long lasting. They last up to 21 days, so that's really awesome. And I love how this kit includes 21 colors plus a base coat, a top coat, and a matte top coat. I love when companies include a matte top coat. Absolutely awesome. And yeah, it is valid for 24 months after opening. And always remember to keep away from children and to not eat, and to keep it away from fire, of course. And it also brings a user manual just in case you need help on how to apply them. So yeah, I really absolutely love them, and very affordable as well. This color in particular was outstanding, so beautiful. It reminded me of the galaxy, like space and all that. So I knew I was going to create a look based off this color. It just gave me so much ideas. So you guys will see what I come up with, and I hope you guys enjoy. I love creating content for you guys. I love creating nail sets, and I am still waiting on my Shein order. It was a little bit delayed. I think it's due to like natural causes around certain parts of the world lately. I don't know if it has to do with that, but hopefully it will be coming soon because I definitely want to bring in some hauls. I'm not 100% sure if I even have like any other products to show. Maybe I do. If I do, I will try to incorporate a haul in here this a week if I can, because I do have a lot of PR, and I keep forgetting to do like a PR unboxing because I know you guys wanted to see that, but I keep forgetting. Because for example, I received these products today and I'm just decided to record it today because then it just keeps accumulating and accumulating all these products that I keep receiving. So next we're moving on to this other set of 6 gel polishes that they sent me, and this one is so beautiful. I absolutely loved it. It's all glitters. It's like they read my mind or something. And if you guys know already, I absolutely love all things glitter. So here I'm just showing you the instructions guide if you need help. But I absolutely love glitters, and I love how the polishes are such a great size as well. You guys will see here up close. And like I mentioned, you do cure this under the UV LED lamp. It does last up to 21 days. It strengthens the nail, and they do use natural resin. So really awesome. And yeah, I absolutely loved this manicure set. I thought it was super beautiful. The colors, you can do a lot with it. So I literally am so happy that I received this particular set right here, because I literally have colors for the holiday, for the winter, and for Halloween, which I have been trying to incorporate a lot more Halloween nail looks, which I will be doing this upcoming season because I didn't get to do that last year. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys like these polishes as well. I think they're very beautiful, and I absolutely love the colors. At first I thought they were the I forgot what they're called at the moment, but they're the ones that like glow. Not that they glow, but they're like really shiny and shimmery. I thought it was those at first, but they're not. They're just glittery polishes. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love them, and I hope you guys do as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hit the notification bell to get notified on every single upload, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you guys enjoy this content. So today is a little bit different, and I'm gonna be applying some base gel onto all the nails first, and then I'm gonna be applying some stickers that I decided to use for this particular nail look. And I am doing like a outer space, I guess you can say, type of theme. So I did go ahead and incorporate some crystals within the outer space / galaxy type of nail theme I was going for. So we're gonna have some gold crystals and hearts, and then we're also gonna have some like space stars and like crescents and stuff like that, space related and nail art stickers. So I did a combination of those two, and I also wanted to go ahead and add some caviar beads as well. So here I have some like golden type of caviar beads, then I have some like baby blue ones and also some baby pink ones, and I decided to add that as like an accent to the theme. I thought it would go very well with it. So here I'm just applying the stickers, but as I was applying the stickers, I was noticing that the base gel was like curling them up, like eating them up or something. It was the weirdest thing. I'll show you here up close. So what I decided to do instead was I applied base gel again, I cured it, and then with that tacky layer, I went ahead and I just adhered these stickers, and it worked absolutely fine. So with these particular stickers, as you guys can see here up close, it was just curling them up and it was just ruining everything. So like I mentioned, the second time around, I decided to just apply some base gel, cure it for a couple seconds, and then with that tacky layer of the base coat, just adhere them like a sticker. So it was absolutely perfect, and it worked a lot better with those particular stickers. And these two types of stickers that you see here, the two sheets, I did purchase through Shein. They were each $1. So here I am just maneuvering my way around the nail, applying all the things onto the nail to my desired liking, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure and then apply another layer of base coat and apply the caviar beads, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the polish, but this time we're going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to be applying the gel polishes inside of the nail, curing them, and then we're going to be adhering them with some acrylic powder, some clear acrylic powder. And I saw Femi Beauty doing this, and it was absolutely amazing. She did it for one of her videos using her kit, and I thought that was absolutely genius. Of course, she just has came up with the most amazing efficient methods, so I absolutely love that idea from her. So yes, I did get this from Femi Beauty, and I'm also doing the Femi Beauty, also known as the Lazy Girl method, with these nails. I absolutely just love doing it like this, and I really have been into encapsulating stuff lately using the Femi Beauty method. I think it's very efficient, very fun to do, and it's not time consuming. It's just easy, and you know, you get your nails really nice. So I absolutely love it. So here you're just gonna see me briefly applying the stuff onto the nails. So I hope you guys like the video and the nail set. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. So now I'm just going in with the gel polishes inside of the nail, and I'm just applying the P091 first, and then I'm going to go ahead and combine the other ones and mix them all together. So after I was done decorating all the nails, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the process for the rest of the nails. And I did end up just curing the thumb right away, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna apply all these colors, then I'm gonna grab a nail art brush and mix them all together until I get my desired liking of color. And then I'm gonna go in and cure all of these under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and adhere them with some acrylic powder. Before I apply these nails, I will be going in with a peel off base coat since I will not be wearing these nails, and the one that I use is UNT, and this is available on Amazon. It is 15 ml and it definitely lasts a long time. I remember getting this about a year ago now, and my sister actually gave me this, but I did check on Amazon and it does go for like $14 or $15, something like that. And I definitely recommend it if you don't want to wear your nails for too long or you want to practice, because they come right off. So definitely recommend if you're looking for a good peel off coat. So here I went ahead and applied the acrylic inside the nail. I placed it, just pressed it down for a couple seconds, and there you go. This is another way that you could adhere your nails if you'd like to. Like I mentioned earlier, I did get this from Femi Beauty. She did it for one of her videos, her tutorials, and I thought it was absolutely genius. So yeah, here I'm just going to repeat the same process. I'm just going to be going in and applying acrylic, clear acrylic onto all the nails, and then just adhering it on my nail until it dries, and that is it, literally. So I absolutely loved the way that these came out, and I think I'm going to start doing this a lot more often, using the acrylic powder as an adhesive, like a glue, like as an adhesive. So these are what the nails are looking like so far. Let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love them. I think they're really pretty. Next, I'm going in with some top coat, and then I'm going to go underneath the nails, as you guys see here, to secure everything underneath and for the nails to be as clear as possible. And then I'm going to go in and apply the top coat on the actual nails as well, cure everything, and then we're going to move on to applying the cuticle oil. So this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.